In today's class, I am going to explain the library of JavaScript. Okay, that is called React library. Library framework, both are same. Okay, don't confuse yourself. In Python, it is called library. Okay, somewhere else in Java, they are called frameworks. So don't confuse, framework, library, all are same. So React is a front-end JavaScript framework. This is very important point. Note yourself. React, it is a front-end JavaScript framework, and also it is just like a JavaScript library, JavaScript framework. Both are same. So created by Facebook. What is front-end? So in the programming, most of the time whenever you are learning the code, either any language, C, C++, Java, Python, any language, if you are learning, that moment you use it to hear some words, front end, back end. So front end means, try to understand, user side, client side. Okay, client side interaction, interface. You are working on mobile, so every app you are opening, that is front end interface. You want to, whenever you are interacting with an app, okay, so that is called front end interface, so that you can interact with that app. Okay, every interface every app providing front end interface, so the user can interact with the app. So whatever the requests you are sending in that app, every time you are clicking, every click is a request. So whenever you are clicking, that request will be sent to server, which is so far away of you. Okay, it may be somewhere else in any country. So your request will be sent to that server through media. First of all, this request, whenever you click on the mobile in any app, so that will be sent to that website first. Okay, then after, by that website, that request will be sent to server. From server provides the service to you. Whatever the request you are you are sending that request, and that request will be sent to the server. Server will give the service. So that server side coding is called backend. Okay, server side coding, backend. Okay, you simply understand. Front end, user side coding, client side coding, interface, to create the interface, UI, user interface, UX, applications, that is called front end. So come to the point. React is a JavaScript framework or library. It is a front end JavaScript framework, okay, or library created by Facebook. So it is a tool to create, otherwise to build UI components. UI means user interface components. So React is a tool for building UI, user interface components. So how does React work? That is very important, na? React creates a virtual DOM in memory. So virtual and physical, you need to understand what is virtual, what is physical. So if you are touching, you are physically experiencing anything that is physically existing thing. If virtual means there is no any physical thing, there is no any physical, so that is called virtual. So DOM is what? So that moment I was explaining that how does React work. So React creates a virtual DOM in memory. Okay, DOM is called document object model. So what happened, whenever a web page is loaded, at the time of any web page is being loaded, that moment for that web page a DOM will be created, that is called document object model. So original document object model is so slow. Okay, so React, what it does, it creates a virtual DOM, document object model for that original DOM. So why? Because original DOM is so slow, so that to make it fast, it creates a virtual DOM in memory. Who will create?